Very good morning, my dear children. How are you? Now, pull up your socks and get set go for your final term. So, today we will start with chapter 5 more on MS Word.
Students, for improving the presentation and the overall appeal of the document, we should include, rather we must include clip arts or pictures in our document. So today we are going to do that only, that how to insert clip art and pictures in the MS Word document. For inserting the clip art, follow the command insert tab illustrations group. The option is clip art. Insert tab illustrations group clip art option. So clip art task pane will appear at the right side. In this you have to search for a particular clip art that you want to insert. For example, let's say I am searching books and then click on the go button. So I am finding two clip arts here. So drag it or you can double click also, right? After the clip art will get inserted, you can do the operations such as you can resize it, you can rotate it like this using the rotation handle. Okay, so you can also apply the border. So from here you have to apply the border, then the border color you can also give, type of border, picture styles you can give, right? So once you have inserted the clip art, then after that you can give the formatting to it. So from here you can give the picture effects also. If I want to give shadow, so this you can see a shadow is there now, right? Okay, bache, the next feature or the next object that we are going to insert in the MS Word document is picture now. So command insert tab illustrations group and the option is picture. Insert tab illustrations group picture option. So once you will click on the picture option, insert picture dialog box will get open. Now locate the picture that you want to insert. So you can find out the pictures. So let's see, I'm finding. So this was the picture in my system right now. So you can insert any picture, and what you can do is, again we have to do the formatting. You can resize it. So you can see when you will insert a picture, a new tab, format tab will get open. Under the format tab, there is adjust group, picture styles group, arrange group and size group. What are the four groups available under the format tab in case you are formatting a picture? Adjust group, picture styles group, arrange group, size group. And under the adjust group, you can give corrections to your image like this. So whatever the appealing formatting you need, you can do it from here. So I'm taking it this. So you can set the colors also this way, and then the most important feature or the option for formatting a picture is in the adjust group is artistic effect. So from here you can give the artistic effect. So see the output now, amazing outputs you will see, right? So you from here you can give the artistic effect. So by this way I have applied the artistic effect to my picture now, and then from the picture styles option you can give the styling to your picture also as desirable by you, right? So I'm taking this, then you can give picture border. Let it be, I'm setting the color now. So this way you can give the picture border, then picture border weight, the size of the border, width of the border you can give. Then picture effects, the next option is picture effects. From here you can give shadow, the outer shadow I'm giving, and then inner shadow. So this way I'm choosing this. and then glow, so you can give glow also. So this way you can do the formatting of your picture as well as the clip art. Yeah. Now 3D rotation is also there. So this way you can give the rotation, and in the size group, if you want to crop, you can crop the picture size that you want for a picture. Clear? So again, once you will insert the picture, click on the picture, format tab is there, various groups will occur, and under the groups choose the desired option that you want to do for the formatting. Clear? Okay,